Tell me why you have not been styling your gele by yourself. I'm always available for simple head wrap tutorials which I'm always dropping on my page, and this one I'm doing right here today and right now is not left out. So for you to learn this, all you need to do is glue your eyes to the screen and watch till the end. You can see what I did in the first place. I just made a pleat, place on my head, then I go to the back, give it a knot and secure the excess of the shorter part. The vision of this head wrap is just in 100, we have 100 as the whole of the head wrap. Then you are going to take 80-20, or probably you can take 70-30 depending on the length of your head wrap. Just take note that one part is going to be longer than the other. So you knot the shorter part and keep the excess. The longer parts, you're going to pick it up, pleat it down all through like it is being displayed earlier on the screen. When you pleat to this particular side, you see where I am, or your home can fall at the middle. It depends on you. Now you're going to pick up an office pin and find a way to secure it with the previous laid, like the pleat we made. Just get it secured there, and you're going to have the excess left. Before you work with the excess, make sure your pleats you made are well laid, well aligned and well adjusted. My love, you are almost done with this head wrap. All you need to do is wait and watch till the end. You see where I am? That's the excess I have. I'm going to continue to pleat everything down all through because I still need that pleat. It's nothing serious. Just pick it up roughly. We're going to arrive at where we are going to. And you see how I folded it? Not in, I took it out. Then I need an elastic band, that is rubber band. When you have it, use it to wrap up a bit like this, and you have this excess here. Okay, pick the edge to meet this one and pick your office pin to secure it down. These are the simple process you can use to do your head wrap by yourself. Don't worry, you are going to arrive at the result just for you to try and you will get it. You see this folded part, look for the hole and dip your hand in and pull the excess fabric stuffed in there. Pull everything out. Once you are done, you see this edge at the side, take it down and secure with office pin. If that is being achieved, congratulations. Come to this up here and you're going to match it together using another office pin to secure that place. Homo, you are almost done. Oh, don't be in a haste, we are almost done. And this is where the beauty is, and we are going to show you how it will look finally. You see, I'm almost done here, and look at it here. Let's wait for the final look. You see that I added my broad to beautify the rubber band I have there, and boom, your girl is done.